Good morning. Namaste, everyone.
Namaste, ma'am.
How are you all? Namaste. How are you all?
We are fine, and you, ma'am.
Okay. Last time we discussed about some major or the important religions and religious customs of Nepal. Yeah, we talked about Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, Kirat, etc. Yeah, the Hinduism, Buddhism, Kirat, Islam, yeah, and the major activities or the customs which are performed in this region. We discussed or we talked about the different religious customs and religions of Nepal, yeah. Some major or the important religions and the religious customs of Nepal. Okay, today also we'll continue to discuss all the religions and the religious customs of Nepal. Before discussing about them, first of all, let's have a revision of our last class or the previous class. Okay, can anybody revise some religions and the religious customs which we discussed in our previous class? Can anybody about Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Kirat, and the major customs, religious customs which are performed in those religions? Okay, can anybody want to share or revise? Josna, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. About which religion you want to discuss or you want to share?
Ma'am, about
Okay, Hinduism now. Let's have a discussion about Hinduism.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, the religion you follow or your family follow is Hinduism. Okay. Can you share some of the religious activities which are performed or observed in your family?
yes, ma'am. People of
Okay.
here follow.
Just
People of here follow different religions, but most of the people follow Hinduism.
okay.
They
And what do you
worship.
do as being Hindu? Can you?
Ma'am, you can see again.
Okay. As being Hindu, what are the religious activities which are observed in your family? Can you share with us?
Yes, ma'am. They worship different
Okay.
gods like Burma, Vishnu, Maheshwar are the main worshipping methods. They
Okay.
celebrate many festivals like Dasai, Tiyar,
And
Chhat, etc.
are the okay
They
major
take
festivals you observe in your family? Okay.
they take fast on particularly this and days. We have unique worshipping methods, etc.
Yeah, by using different puja materials. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Josna.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Divaska. Hello, Divaska. Divaska, first of all, unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Do you know some major religions of Nepal?
Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, and so on.
And okay, which religion do you follow?
Hinduism, ma'am.
Okay, Hinduism. Okay, can you say some activities or the rituals which are in Hinduism or in your family? Like, okay, doing puja in that the day-to-day life. Similarly, okay, taking fast like that. What are the activities which are done as being the follower of Hindu?
Uh,
Divaska?
we do puja regularly. We worship the gods, and in some festivals we take fast, and in some festival we take and we have feast. And
Okay. Thank you so much, Divaska. Okay, similarly, uh, I want to go with Rahul. Hello, Rahul.
yes, ma'am.
Me too, also fine. Rahul, like Hinduism, many people of Nepal follow Buddhism, yeah? Can you describe or can you say some religious customs of them like us? Okay, what do they do? Like Hindus, what do they do in their religion?
Ma'am, can
Okay,
I say
like
about
Hindu.
Hinduism? Ma'am, can I say about Hinduism?
Okay, can't you say about Buddhism?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll ask some questions about Buddhism. Okay, let me know whether you know or not. Okay. Okay, Rahul, where
Oh,
do they go? Where do Buddhists go for their prayer?
Buddhists go to pray.
Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Where do they go? Like,
Oh,
where do they go for their prayer?
like we Hindus go to temple to pray. Likewise, Buddhist people go to stupa or gumba to pray.
Okay, yes, like they go to stupas, monasteries, or gumbas for their prayer. Okay, do you know the founder of Buddhism, Rahul?
Ma'am,
Okay, who is the founder of Buddhism?
Gautam Buddha was the founder of the Buddhism.
Is the founder of and do you know major festivals which are of by Buddhist?
Major
Rahul,
festival
do
organized
you know
by
the major?
Buddhists.
Okay.
Major festival organized by Buddhists is Buddha Jayanti.
Buddha Purnima, Buddha Jayanti, etc. Yeah. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
those are also the festival of Buddhist. Okay, and do you know the holy book of them or the scripture of Buddhist?
No, ma'am.
Holy book like our Gita, Upanishad, Quran. What are the scriptures or the holy books of Buddhist? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
You don't know?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
any other know that what? Okay, the people here, any do you know the scriptures or the holy books of Buddhist? Anybody? Do you have any idea? Okay, Jataks and Tripitaks are the holy books of Buddhist or Buddhism. Okay, so the religious customs of Buddhists are going to monasteries or the stupas and praying Lord Buddha, observing different festivals like Buddha Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, yeah, and reading Jataks or Tripitaks are the major religious customs of Buddhist. Okay. Similarly, okay, let's have a discuss. Last time we also discussed about Kirat. Okay. Do anybody know about Kirat religion? Do you have any idea?
Kirat is
Anybody
followed
have
by
any idea about Kirat religion? Okay. Josna, do you want to share?
yes,
Okay. Do you know the religious customs of Kirat?
religious customs. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which caste of Nepal follow Kirat? Do you know? Kirat religion, do you know? Josna?
Rice and limbus.
Okay, very good. Rice and Limbus follow Kirat religion in Nepal. And do you know the major festivals of Kirat?
Ma'am,
Major festivals of Kirat.
ma'am,
Festival they celebrate. Do you know?
Holi and Udoli.
Okay, Uvoli and Udoli. And they worship nature, yeah? They take nature as their god, yes? The things which are
Yes, ma'am.
related to nature, they worship them. And the major or the scripture of Kirat is, do you know? The holy book of Kirat?
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell? Doom, I think so, ma'am.
Okay, Mundam, you are absolutely correct. Mundam is the holy book of Kirat, okay?
Yeah.
So, similarly, many people of Nepal also follow Islam religion. Yeah. Do you know the founder of Islam religion?
Founder, Prophet Muhammad.
Okay, Prophet Muhammad is the founder of Islam religion. Okay. And do you know the major festivals of Muslims or the Islam religion? Which is festival they observe or they
Eid.
celebrate? Yeah. Eid
Ma'am,
and
Eid. And Bakar Eid.
Bakar Eid. Yeah. Eid and Bakar Eid. And
Yes, ma'am.
similarly, do you know the scripture or the holy book of Muslim or the Islam religion?
Holy Book. Ma'am, I don't know that.
Okay, anybody? Any other know about the scripture or the holy book of Islam? What is called the
Ma'am,
holy book of Islam?
Ma'am, can I
Okay,
tell?
yes,
Quran.
Quran, yeah. Okay, Quran is the holy book of Islam. Okay, and the recitation of Quran is known as namaz. Yeah, they read namaz or they recite namaz during their fast or during their during their festival. They observe or they celebrate a month-long festival, which is known as, do you know?
Quran.
The month-long festival of Islam is known as, do you know? Rosa, yeah. They observe in their 9th month, Ramadan, and the major festival of Islam are Eid and Bakr Eid. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Now, okay, these are the revisions of our previous class. Now let's discuss about all the religions of Nepal, okay, which are also followed by some people or the few number of the people of Nepal. Okay, except Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Kirat, there are people who follow Christianity. Yeah, do you know about Christianity? Christianity, Jainism, Sikhism, etc. are also the religions which are followed by the people of Nepal. Okay, okay. Let me do screens here. Okay, can anybody read what is written on the slide? Okay, Raj.
Ma'am,
Hello, Raj. Okay, Raj, can you read what is written on the slide?
Christianity founder Jesus Christ.
Christ,
Your
Jesus
book,
Christ, great book or the Holy
believer,
Book, Bible,
Bible, major festival, Christmas.
and for prayer, where do they go? Church, yeah. So, a few number of the people of Nepal follow Christianity, yeah, and it is founded by Jesus Christ. The Holy Book of Bible is known as, sorry, the Holy Book of Christians is known as Bible, and they go to church for their prayer, and they celebrate Christmas as their major festival. Okay, so going to church for their prayer, celebrating Christmas, reading Bible are some major religious customs of Christianity. Okay. Okay. Similarly, some people of Nepal also follow Jainism. Okay, Shreya Gimire. Hello, Shreya. Hello, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read what is written on the slide?
Yes, ma'am. Mahavir is the founder of the religion. Teacher or guru is taken as the symbol of God. Providing service and donation are essence of this religion.
Okay, very good. And thank you so much, Shreya. So, the founder of Jainism is Mahavir. Okay, Mahavir is the founder of this religion, and they take teacher or guru as their god. Okay, and the main essence of this religion is or are donating the helpless or the needy people and providing service to them are the essence of this religion. Okay, similarly the next religion which are followed by few number of the people is known as Sikhism. Okay, can anybody read what is written on the slide? Okay, Diksha,
Yes, ma'am.
the slide once.
Okay. Guru Nanak is considered as the founder of this religion. Guru Grantha Sahib is the scripture. They go to Gurudwara.
Yeah.
Baisakhi and Guru Nanak Jayanti are the major festivals.
Okay, thank you so much, Diksha. So the founder of Sikhism is Guru Nanak. Okay, and their holy book or the scripture is Guru Grantha Sahib. And where do they go for their prayer? They go to Gurudwar for praying their God. And they celebrate Baisakhi and Guru Nanak Jayanti as their major festival. Okay, so these are all about the religious customs, some major religions and the religious customs of Nepal. Okay, now we are going to discuss about social customs of Nepal. What are the different social customs of Nepal? Let's have a discussion. Okay, I'm going to show some pictures which are related to social customs, okay, of Nepal. Okay, guess what is the given picture is about. I think it is there is a caption also. Okay, which social customs of Nepal? Can you guess? Can you tell?
Ma'am, Naran.
Yeah, okay, in Nepal it is called Nuaran, and in English it is called what? Naming ceremony. Okay. Similarly, next, what is the given picture is about? Which social custom?
Ma'am, rice feeding.
Okay, rice feeding. Okay, or in Nepali, it is also called Anna
Prasan.
Prasan. Okay. Okay, next one. Which social customs
Bratabandha.
belong the given picture?
Ma'am, Bratabandha.
Okay, Brata Bandha. Brata Bandha. Okay, very good. Okay, next, this one.
Ma'am,
Punya
Gunya
solo.
Solo.
Okay, good news solo. Okay, this
Bel Biwa.
Belviha or Gufa. Okay, next one.
Bartaman.
Okay, Brata
Marriage
Bandha or
ceremony.
marriage ceremony. Okay, marriage ceremony. This one,
Funeral
funeral.
ceremony.
Well, yeah. Okay, funeral ceremony. So these are the pictures about the different social customs which are done from birth to death of the people according to religion and the caste. Yeah, according to the religion, the caste of the people. Okay, Avas Paudel. Hello, Avas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Avas.
Yes, ma'am.
In your caste or in your religion, what are the different social customs which are observed? Do you know some of them? Like
They
this one we
are
see in the picture. What is the
Nuaran.
custom?
Some of them are Nuaran,
Kinar,
Pasni,
Pasni,
Bratabanda,
Bratavanda,
marriage ceremony,
marriage ceremony,
and the funeral ceremony.
funeral ceremony. Awas, do you know the process of doing or observing any one of the social customs of your caste or religion? Like how
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
do you observe any one of the social custom?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which one you want to say? You want to share with us about which one?
And in Bratabanda, the
Okay, bro, about Pratap.
in Bratabanda, in Bratabanda, boys cut their hair and they put they put on different clothes.
Yeah,
They become a priest,
and then
and they don't cut a specific part of their hair, which
then
is uh, which is also called tupi.
okay. This much, Amas.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. So that what in Bratabandha, there is a unique method or the process of doing Bratabandha in your religion or caste. Yeah. Okay, Awas Moharjan.
Ma'am,
Okay, Awas, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am.
Do you know the process or the method of doing Bratabandha in your community or in
Yes,
your caste?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share with us?
In Bradabanda,
How do you?
they wear different clothes. They they cut yar. They
Yeah.
do they do puja.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So, social customs. Okay, let's define social customs. The rituals, tradition, practices, norms, or the values, yeah, which are followed or which are practiced from our birth to death according to our caste and religion are known as social customs. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, and yeah, they are differ from one caste to another or one religious community to another. Okay, so the different rituals, rites, practices which are observed, which are followed from from the birth to the death of the people according to the caste and the religion are known as social customs, and they are different from one physical region or community to another's, or the one religious or the one religious community to another, or they are different from caste to caste. Understanding about the social customs, and except some different social customs according to the caste and religion, there are some common social customs of Nepalese. Do you know what are they? Okay, can anybody read what is written on this slide? Some social custom, some common social customs of us. Can anybody wants to read
Yes.
by yourself? Okay, unmute. Anybody can read by unmuting yourself. Can anybody
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
read what is written on this slide?
Common social
Okay.
customs.
Okay.
Common social costume.
Taking part and respecting
Taking
each
part
other.
and
Taking part and
respecting each
respecting
other
each
culture and
cultural and
tradition,
tradition, helping
helping
in
in
need,
need,
doing and leading
following
and
and
exchanging
lending,
labor as well,
exchanging
paying
acts
due
of
respect to
labor as
parents,
well,
teachers, and guests,
showing
showing
due
due
respect to
respect to
parents, teachers,
this is
and
Sita
guests,
in the service of
interface with through ties, etc. in the service of traveling.
Thank you so much. So these are the okay. According to our caste and religion, there are our customs, religious and social customs are different from each other. Yeah, there are different religious and social customs among the different caste and religion. Like Newar people have their own religious and social customs, and Brahmin Kshetri have their own. There, it means there are differences or there are variation about the social and religious customs of different castes and religions. But except them, there are some common social customs which are done or which are followed by all the people of Nepal, like taking part and respecting each other. Yeah, any caste or any religion take part and respect each other religion or the tradition. They do not hate or they do not fight in the name of caste, culture, or the religion. They respect all the religions or the caste equally. So this is a common social custom of us or Nepalese. Similarly, helping in need. Yeah, we Nepalese have we uh, always will be there to help each other in the time of difficulty or in need. We help or cooperate each other. This is also another common social custom of us. Any caste or any religion help to each other. When there is a time of helping to each other, they do not discriminate in the name of caste or religion. Similarly, another social custom or the common social custom of Nepalese is borrowing and lending and the exchanging of the labor as well. Okay, mainly in village, that in villages there is a custom of a common social custom of borrowing and lending, and they also exchange the labor in agriculture. I think if you are, I think you know about this common social custom. Okay, next common social custom of Nepalese is showing respect to parents, teachers, and guests. Yeah, we Nepalese respect our respect to our elder parents, teachers is also. Okay, so these we talked about some major religious and social customs of Nepal, and we also discussed common social. Okay, if you have confusion about the topic we discussed today, we'll also discuss or we'll also explain or have a talk in next time. Okay,
Okay,
please.
ma'am.
And my due request to you is try to do the assignment. Okay, how much you can, so that I can know whether you have understood or not. So please do not forget to do your assignment. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.